In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profit and loss statement in Zoho Books. This essential financial document is crucial for understanding your business's profitability over specific periods of time, and we'll be walking through the process step by step to ensure you can easily generate this report with confidence. To get started, let's access the profit and loss report. From your Zoho Books dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Reports module. Once you're there, you'll notice various options under the Business Overview section. The one we're interested in today is the Profit and Loss link. Clicking on that will direct you to the Profit and Loss report page where you can begin customizing your report. Once you arrive on the report page, it's time to customize the report to fit your specific needs. Look for the Customize button, which will reveal various options to tailor your report. First, consider the date range. Choose the time period that best represents the financial picture you want to examine. This could range from the current month to the previous year, or you might even choose a custom date range that suits your needs. Next, decide on the report basis. Zoho Books allows you to choose between accrual and cash accounting methods, depending on how you prefer to account for your revenue and expenses. Both methods offer different insights, so select the one that aligns with your accounting practices. You can further tailor your report with the Filter Accounts option. This allows you to include or exclude specific accounts, focusing your report on the financial areas that are most relevant to you. The Compare feature is also invaluable. It allows you to select a period, reporting tag, or project for side-by-side comparisons. This can be especially helpful when you need to analyze performance trends over time or across different departments or projects. Additionally, advanced filters give you another layer of customization. You can apply filters based on specific projects or other criteria that could narrow down the financial information you need. Finally, before you generate your report, consider the Show Hide Columns function. This feature lets you choose the specific data columns you want to display. By selecting only the most relevant information, you can make the report easier to read and more focused on your objectives. Now that we've set up everything, it's time to run the report. Simply click the Run Report button. Zoho Books will process your settings and present the profit and loss statement tailored to your customizations. This statement will give you a clear view of your business's financial health during the selected period. And there you have it, a customized profit and loss statement that provides valuable insights into your business's financial performance. Feel free to refer back to this video whenever you need a refresher and explore other features in Zoho Books to enhance your financial analysis and decision-making.